Hey, happy Friday, everyone. TGIF. We're halfway through the day, approximately. We're into the mid-afternoon now, and some rain has pushed into the valley this afternoon, dampening some holiday shoppers out there. Let's take a couple of peeks outside this afternoon. I'm going to show you some webcams and the radar as well. Here's a look outside in Niles, where the parking lot looks pretty busy over at Best Buy. A lot of people still out to lunch at Olive Garden in the foreground as well, and 422 is fairly busy, but as you can see, things are kind of damp. Similar scene in Boardman with wet roads and heavy traffic along 224. I would not want to be sitting on 224 at any point during the day today. A place to avoid if you can. All right, as we take a look at the radar now, this rain is pretty light. It's drizzle in a lot of places, not much more than that, but it is enough to wet the ground. It is enough to flip on the wipers a couple of times right now at about 2 p.m. As we zoom out and take a look at a broader view here and put things in motion, as you can see, there's more of this light rain off to the west, and the rain's never going to get heavy today and into tonight, but it will be around for a lot of the time. Here's our high-resolution Futurecast model showing as we go through the evening, this light rain continues pushing in from the west, and it'll just turn out to be a soggy Friday night with light rain, drizzle, mist, just kind of a general unpleasantness, but it's not going to be cold just yet. The cold air waits until tomorrow. Temperatures this afternoon are still balmy, upper 50s to around 60 degrees, way above average on the order of 15 to 17 degrees above the average this afternoon. All right, coming up this evening on 21 News at 6, and then on Weather for Weather Geeks. I skipped Weather Geeks last night, but I'll do it this evening on my weather blog and on WFMJ.com/weather. We're going to talk about tomorrow, which promises to be a much different day. I'm going to need the jacket tomorrow and probably the umbrella as well. We'll talk about next week's forecast challenges. It's going to be kind of an up and down week. And we'll take a look at December. Models are really kind of locking in now on a very mild scenario for the month of December. So we'll talk about how the first half of the month might compare to the second half of the month this evening on Weather for Weather Geeks. In the meantime, have a great rest of this Friday if you're lucky enough to have the day off. Hope you can enjoy it, even though the weather is not as nice as it was on Thanksgiving. Have a great night, and we'll see you on Monday.